So we're going to talk today about how to go into Nearpod and attach it into your Edsby account. So if I go into my Nearpod and I log in like I would normally, the first thing I'm going to do is look for the lesson I want to share. Normally you're already up into that point. If I were to go into the lesson itself, I will hit Student Paste. And when I click Student Paste, what is going to happen is this code will generate. Now, normally if you were in a classroom, the kids would just enter their code, but since we are linking it to Edsby itself, I'm going to hit this, and it's highlighted in blue where it says link. It has two links put together. Click that and it will generate a link down here. I will go into my Edsby account. Log in. Go into my class. And when I'm creating that journal for today's assignments, I might say it is my unit on subtraction, starting today at whatever time. My objective is learning. Today I will subtract. Going down here to the to-do box, I might say, good morning, Eagles. Please complete your Nearpod lesson using the following link. Underneath, I'm going to go back to my Nearpod. Remember, we went in, we hit student self-paced, this popped up, we clicked the blue link, which created this link down here. We're going to hit copy. So now the link is automatically copied. I'll just come down here, right click. I'm going to hit this where it's going to say add video or link. Go ahead and click paste. It should populate right here and hit submit. The other way you can do it, if you don't want to go and click that link below, is within the text box. I can hit, I can click it like this, and then I can highlight and make a link and just paste it in again. And now it is linked into it. You're just going to copy the link and paste it into the journal itself, either using this link button into the journal box itself or using this link button, which will attach a thumbnail that they can click on and go to the link. When I'm done, I choose what class I want to post it to, and I hit share, and it will automatically upload. So for instance, I would click this. And now this is my journal for them to complete. Keep in mind that those Nearpod lessons will be done on the Nearpod app, but they need to be uploaded in as a link into your Edsby account. Hope this was helpful. If you have any questions, please let me know, and I will be glad to help you put this in. Thank you.